Thinking of getting a new masterpiece for your skin? We've got a few tips and tricks to keep your ink looking and feeling fresh. Your tattoo artist will usually apply an antibacterial ointment to your new tattoo and cover it with plastic wrap. It's important to leave this plastic cover on for at least 3 to 5 hours to prevent infection from bacteria. After the advised amount of time, wash your tattoo gently with antimicrobial soap and lukewarm water to remove any residual blood, plasma, and leaked ink. Avoid the use of loofahs and sponges, as these can harbour nasties and irritate your new tattoo. Use a soft, clean paper towel to gently blot your tattoo dry. Don't use a cloth towel, as this can be too abrasive for your new ink and leave irritating white bits of fluff. After it's dry, apply a thin layer of moisturiser or antiseptic ointment like Bepanthen to soothe any irritation. You want to repeat this daily and multiple times a day if necessary. Remember, your new tattoo is a work of art, but it's still essentially a wound. Treat it well, give it 2 to 6 weeks to heal, and it'll last as long as Botticelli's Venus while looking just as beautiful.